Scissor lift installation in a workshop is frequently challenging and time-consuming. Danish engineers save the day with this system, which is simple to set up and quite helpful. The business calls it a breakthrough lift. It has a lifting capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, and it's flexible in how far apart the legs are placed. The lift width can be adjusted from 4.3 to 9.8 feet, and its height can reach 6.4 feet. The lift is simple to put up, maintain, and is prepared to operate with automobiles, vans, and SUVs, thanks to the quick-release connection mechanism. Storage problems arise sooner or later in each workshop, whether it's run by amateurs or professionals. The dual-purpose storage solution will make it easier to keep things organized and to always know where they are. These drawers, which may be used as wall lockers and carrying cases, are the system's key components. The typical arrangement comes with two dividers, a rail, and a load capacity of around 22 pounds. This model is quite adaptable. It is simple to adapt for a particular workshop and appeals to DIYers as well as fishermen, hunters, and even campers. And some individuals install the device right inside their vehicles. A set costs $140 as a starting point. Let's now discuss the equipment from Rima Tip-Top. As is evident from the name, the business is doing rather well. Thanks to their tire repair products, it was able to achieve sales of almost $1 billion in the 2020 fiscal year. Vulcanizing heat presses, balancing tools, and a range of compounds, tools, and repair patches like the ones on the screen are among the team's goods. This patch is ideal even for tires that must operate in harsh conditions and cuts repair time by around 40%. It also doesn't call for any additional ventilation. You can sand the tire to restore it to new condition by using a special compound with excellent adhesion. The winner of the prestigious SEMA show is up next. It is regarded as one of the major occasions for producers of various vehicle gadgets. The item we're about to show you is useful for cleaning drain holes and air ducts. It is recommended by experts that you clean them at least twice a year because various types of filth eventually find their way within. This gadget will make the cleaning process quicker and simpler. In essence, it is a flexible wire component made of textile fibers, replete with the cordless tool mounts, drill and screwdriver mounts. The system weighs roughly 15 ounces in its packaging, yet it is portable and simple to operate. Unexpectedly, they're asking $450 for it, even though a screwdriver is not included. A correctly done wheel alignment not only improves road safety, but also prolongs the life of your tires. A 3D wheel alignment stand that facilitates mechanic work is displayed on your screen. The machine vision system is the key component. It captures a copy of the suspension using high-resolution cameras, transfers it to the computer, and, for better accuracy, compares its state to the reference model. To make it simpler for the system to aim, special targets are fitted to the wheels. The fact that these systems can be used immediately after installation is a big benefit. Calibration is not required. They can be employed in repair facilities that have elevators and inspection pits. However, the cost is high, beginning at $15,000. What should you do if you need to remove several fasteners simultaneously? Multi-spindle attachments that have an adapter for a number of cordless instruments are helpful in such a situation. Finding the proper template for each unique operation, such as drilling, countersinking, or tapping, is a huge advantage. The wide range of accessories speeds up the work cycle, and the spindles rotate at the same speed because they are powered by the same motor, resulting in high-quality work. Professionals that maintain and repair vehicles and large pieces of machinery like tractors and harvesters will find this tool to be of great use. With the ability to change the torque between 450 and 650 Newton meters, it substantially simplifies the process of removing and mounting wheels. Upon request, the company is also prepared to offer a 1,000 Newton meter model. Since you no longer need to exert your entire body's weight when pulling long levers, the solution is not only practical, but also safe. There is also a spark-free version with a copper impact head available. Additionally, it makes cramped places considerably more comfortable and increases the amount of work that even one person can accomplish. Here is another tool that serves the same purpose. A corroded or jammed fastener is beneficial. The issue can be resolved using induction heating within about 15 seconds. The gadget will also be beneficial for repairs. For instance, it will aid with heat, shrinking parts, and heating for a vinyl coating. It will also correct small dents in the body. The device's design enables you to heat only the necessary portions of the object without causing damage to the remainder. Additionally, the entire diameter will be heated uniformly. In other words, you don't have to move the tool all the time. The firm provides a number of types with various outputs. 1 and 2, for instance, start at a price of $650. The Passionate Spring Working Tool comes next. The design of the 90-second video tutorial delivers strength and security that instruments of a similar nature can only hope to achieve. The equipment can support a load of 4,000 pounds and weighs roughly 33 pounds, according to the description. Work will require a vise, and the safety ropes provided will make it safer. The model has a spread up to 8 inches wide and costs $300. Sadly, numerous individuals lamented in the comments that utilizing the tool made it simple to scrape or crumple pieces. For repairmen who work on car bodywork and frames, this system will be useful. The version that is being shown has an adjustable height range of 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet and a lifting capacity of around 7,700 pounds. As stated in the summary, it is a compact version made with high alloy steel tubing and cutting-edge European technology. The built-in casters, which are similar to those found in grocery store shopping carts, make it so convenient that the worker can complete the task alone. The owners of these systems will undoubtedly have a lot of work ahead of them, given that there were 947 million passenger cars on the world's roads in 2015. The Terminator franchise's timeline places us in the year 2022, just a few years before the arrival of cyborg assassins. Let's look at this Terminator in the interim. According to the manufacturer, it is made to fix windscreens and will handle every step of the process. But that's not entirely accurate. Even if you still need to prepare, after that is done, all you need to do is set the program and carry on with your tasks. This is the only available option on the market with this level of automation. The company's website states that the vacuum-based repair is effective for fixing chips, cracks, and other problems that lead to the buildup of dirt and moisture. However, a complete set will cost you $2,700. The company claims that this method is the simplest and fastest way to install flexible CV boots with diameters up to 4.5 inches. Any skilled driver is aware that the CV joint, also known as a constant velocity joint, operates under heavy load and that a torn or worn boot will significantly shorten the joint's lifespan. The screen tool uses compressed air to operate, which makes changing the boot simpler. The design is so effective that the maker suggests the model for professional workshops, even though the video tutorial is only 5 minutes long. Remember that this type of installation necessitates a flexible CV boot, since normal ones are frequently too demanding. Commenters provide clarification. $248 is the amount listed on the price tag. This concludes our video for today. Do you believe any of them can be helpful for you? Tell us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to and like our channel.